We want to uncover the influence of hormones on aquatic life forms. Hormone waste originates from birth control pills, medical waste, and extensive farming. Nearly unfiltered by sewage treatment plants, these active substances disturb sex development. Fish and spawn are constantly exposed to this harming environment. Male fish become less fertile and develop female sex tissues. Fish spawn development and sex determination are disturbed. The imbalance of male and female fish lead to decreasing population sizes. We developed a measurement system for hormone concentrations based on genetically modified yeast. The more hormones a sample contains, the more the yeast glows.